Hey everybody, welcome back. Another update video. We're gonna show you what we've been doing, mostly again sanding. So it's an ongoing thing, but I think the results are looking pretty good. So I'll go ahead and show you those. Here's a picture of what we're going after. So hope people like it. I do. I love it. I think it's great. Some are, wanting the carbon look and everything, but I think we always intended to go with white, but we're doing this ghost carbon stuff right now that basically is going to be the accent pieces. So we're not going to not do that. So let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, so here we are. We've got the rear bumper. I've been putting glazing putty on it. I've been sanding my poor fingers to the bone. It's looking pretty good. With the shadows here, it's a little late in the day, so it's kind of hard to see, but hopefully you can see some of that. Anyway, this lower part here, all the way around, will be in white, and then the upper part will be in black. So since that's going to be gloss black, many of you body guys know it has to be perfectly straight or it's going to show every little imperfection. So we've got this layer of primer on it. We'll sand that down. We'll take care of some little pinholes and stuff like that you can see. So we'll be able to go ahead and go over those. They were hard to find without the primer. So we'll let that dry and then give that a sand. You're gonna have to use your imagination a little bit here, but you can see we put those winglets on, and so it looks pretty good in person. It probably doesn't look great on the camera, but at any rate, we've printed it out. Remember, it's going to be removable, so we'll be able to take those on and off as we see fit. It's going to be important to be able to take them off if we ever go on a trailer again, because this sucker's wide. Okay, so we also did the ghost carbon here on the engine cover. It's a little hard to see in this lighting, but you can see it's there in the background. I painted this, or clear coated it, when it was a little cold out, so I didn't get a really smooth finish. So we'll sand that down again and hit it with some more clear, or we'll leave it matte. So we're gonna try it first and see how that shakes out. Okay, so we're gonna leave the scoops as they are. We're gonna leave these guys as they are. I can't get over that dash. It's just beautiful. I'm gonna be really nervous putting that in. Anyway, we've got the rear deck shot in white. So we actually have done one coat, and what I want to do is I want to hit it with some wet dry sandpaper, take it down, and since this is going to be seen by everybody from the back end, I want it to look really good. So, and then we also did the sail panels. So the sail panels are also shot in white. They will be wet dry sanded and or wet sanded, I should say, and then we'll go ahead and clear those. And we finished the wing. So the wing is done. I think I showed you last time. It's done in the ghost carbon, so you can sort of see the carbon fiber underneath. And then we also shot the backside, but we didn't ghost it because we don't really. It's not really front and center and seen a whole lot, but it doesn't look too bad. I think it's going to be okay. So that was my update for today. Well, for this weekend. Again, it's going to be more sanding, and I hope when I get kind of the rear end done, when I get the diffuser done, the rear bumper, the deck lid over here, the sail panels, I have the roof done and the scoops done. I hope to reassemble the back end of the car just to kind of give people a feel for how it's going to look as we progress forward and do more of the car. So hope you guys like the look. Hope you're enjoying the videos. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and leave comments. And we'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.